Welcome to the language world. Today we're learning daily routines. Then, let's get started. To have lunch.
Jeść obiad.
To rest.
Odpoczywać.
To exercise.
Ćwiczyć.
To cook.
Gotować.
To have dinner.
Jeść kolację.
To watch TV.
Oglądać telewizję.
To read a book.
Czytać książkę.
To go shopping.
Robić zakupy.
To go home.
Iść do domu.
To go to bed.
Iść spać.
Quiz time.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.